Hi guys! Today we will learn how to generate sequence like this automatically in Excel. For learning about automatic sequence generation, we will learn about how not to create sequence. Traditionally, we are used to create sequence like this or by dragging the cursor. Currently, we only have 20 rows, but imagine the situation when we have thousands of rows. This dragging thing will be tedious. To make it simpler, we can use sequence function like this. Just put the number of rows your data has and done, your column up populated with sequential number in fraction of second. If you want to append something to your number to create unique identifier, we can append it by using an operator like this. Now to generate this ID automatically as you type name in column B, we can use count a function. This function will count the number of rows which has some data and return that count. We can use this generated count in sequence function like this, so we can get ID generation automatically. We're done. Now we can type in name in column B and automatically ID will get generated in column A. So by using sequence function and count a function, we have created our own sequence generator. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more such tutorials.